Have you ever started something with so much fire in your chest, only to watch that flame flicker out 2 weeks later? You set the goal, you bought the journal, you downloaded the app, you told yourself, this time is different. And then life happened, or motivation left, or you just stopped. And now you're sitting there wondering, why can't I just stick with something? If that hit a little too close to home, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why consistency isn't about willpower and what actually works when you're tired, distracted, or just not feeling it. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, repeatable system to build consistency, even if you've failed a dozen times before. No guilt, no hype, just real, practical steps that actually fit into your life. And I'm not saying this from a pedestal. I'm saying it from the floor, where I've been more times than I'd like to admit. Let me tell you about my 3 a.m. journal phase. I was deep in the self-improvement rabbit hole. I bought a beautiful leather journal. I wrote my first entry with so much hope. Day 1 of becoming the person I'm meant to be. Day 2, skipped. Day 3, I'll catch up tomorrow. Day 7, the journal disappeared under a pile of laundry. Sound familiar? Here's what I didn't understand back then. Consistency isn't about perfect streaks. It's about showing up imperfectly again and again. Science actually backs this up. Researchers call it the aggregation of marginal gains. Tiny actions, repeated, create massive change over time. But here's the trap. We wait to feel motivated before we act. What if I told you it works the other way around? Action comes first, motivation follows. Think about that for a second. What if you didn't need to feel ready to start? So how do you actually build that muscle? Step 1, make it stupidly small. I'm talking embarrassingly small. Want to read more? Commit to 1 page. 1. Not a chapter, not 30 minutes, 1 page. Want to work out? Put on your shoes. That's it, just the shoes. Why does this work? Because you're not fighting your brain's resistance. You're whispering to it, this is so easy, you can't say no. And here's the secret no one tells you. Once you start, you'll often do more. But even if you don't, you still won. You showed up. Step 2, anchor your habit to something you already do. This is called habit stacking, and it's a game changer. After I brush my teeth, I will write 1 sentence. After I pour my coffee, I will open my workout app. After I sit down at my desk, I will take 1 deep breath. Your brain loves patterns. When you attach a new action to an existing one, you're not relying on memory or motivation. You're riding the momentum of your routine. Quick question, what's one thing you do every single day without fail? That's your anchor. Use it. Step 3, track the chain, not the outcome. I used to obsess over results. Did I lose weight? Did I get more followers? Did I finish the project? But results lag. Effort is immediate. So I started tracking something simpler. Did I show up today? Yes or no? Get a calendar. Put an X on the days you do the tiny version of your habit. Your only job, don't break the chain. There's something deeply satisfying seeing those X's pile up. It's visual proof that you're becoming someone who follows through. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. What happens when you miss a day? Because you will. And this is where most people quit. They think, well, I broke the streak, might as well give up. But here's the reframe. Missing 1 day doesn't erase your progress. It's just data. Ask yourself, what got in the way? Was the habit too big? Was the timing off? Was I too hard on myself? Then adjust and come back tomorrow. Consistency isn't about never falling. It's about how quickly you get back up. Let me share something personal. There was a season where I wanted to create content every day. Some days I filmed, edited, and posted with energy. Other days, I could barely open my laptop. The days I almost quit weren't the hard days. They were the days I told myself, if you can't do it perfectly, then don't do it.
But then I realized done is better than perfect. Showing up at 60% still moves you forward. Staying at 0% keeps you stuck. So I gave myself permission to do the minimum viable version. And you know what? Those 60% days often turned into 80%, and sometimes just starting was enough to spark something great. Here's what consistency actually builds: identity. Every time you show up, even for 2 minutes, you're casting a vote for the person you're becoming. I'm someone who takes care of my body. I'm someone who creates. I'm someone who follows through. It's not about the action itself. It's about who you become in the process. And that shift, that's where real lasting change lives. I know it's not easy. I know some days the weight feels heavier. But you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Think about where you could be in 30 days if you committed to one tiny action every single day. Not a massive overhaul, not a complete life transformation, just one small promise kept. That's how mountains are moved, not in a dramatic push, but in steady, relentless steps. And the best part? You already have everything you need to start, right now, exactly as you are. Let's recap the 3 keys. 1. Make it stupidly small. 2. Anchor it to something you already do. 3. Track the chain, not the outcome. And when you miss, be kind, learn, come back. Consistency isn't a personality trait, it's a practice, and practices can be learned. If this video helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button. It lets me know I'm on the right track. Drop a comment below. What's one tiny habit you're committing to this week? I read every single one, and your story might be the push someone else needs. And if you haven't already, subscribe. We're building a community of people who choose to show up for themselves and for each other. Thanks for watching. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. I'll see you in the next one.